So Axie Infinity on the daily chart is actually doing something kind of interesting here. You can see that it's forming almost the same pattern as Bitcoin, except here it's actually forming lower lows in my opinion, considering that we're getting lower closes, right? Whereas Bitcoin is setting higher lows. But besides that, if we take a look at the Ichimoku cloud as well as the EMA ribbon on the daily, you can tell it's not looking great. We did find quite the strong rejection out of the Ichimoku cloud as well as this red box. We have also broken bearish out of the EMA ribbon here, and it's sent us all the way back down to the 1 level, or this green box where all these lows are. Now, in my opinion, Axie Infinity really needs to find a bounce here and break this red box as well as these previous highs to the upside, or else we could very well be in big trouble. Now, if you zoom out here a little bit, if we do manage to break bearish out of this green box of support, our next stock could very well be 26 bucks according to the Fibonacci retracement, which wouldn't be great from these levels. That'd be almost a 50% drop. So the biggest thing that's worrying me about this zone of support here is we've been testing a lot throughout this range here. You can actually see we're starting to close within it, which isn't a great sign. Whereas back here, we had some pretty big moves out of it once we hit it. Now, it is worth a note that every time we do come into this green box, we do have larger rallies to the upside. If we take a look at the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that the Ichimoku cloud has also been broken bearish out of, and we have the red cloud putting above us. But currently, the prices are pretty far away from it, so I'm going to turn it off since it's not really doing anything. You can see that we have broken bearish out of the 200 EMA as well as turned the EMA ribbon red, and the spread is widening. This isn't great in my opinion, especially since we've only really tested it once before now. But if we can kind of manage to chip away at this, we could very well see a move to the upside. But the biggest problem with a move to the upside is we're going to have to break a lot of these key resistance levels like the 618, the 200 EMA, as well as this ribbon. And depending on how long this takes, the Ichimoku cloud could very well catch up with the price action, which also wouldn't be a great sign. Now, if we do manage to break this high over here at this red box around $75, we could very well see a move all the way up to $90 where this next red box is. This red box encapsulates these lows back here as well as this high. If we manage to break below this level on the Fib retracement or this green box, a move to $26 could very well be on the table. And considering this box has held us up for so long, if we do break below it, it could be a very explosive move to the downside, so keep that in mind. But really overall, Axie Infinity has to find a bounce soon or it could spell disaster. This is all I have for Axie Infinity today. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so as I try to post content daily. As always, this isn't financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one.